Hello, my Questies. Greetings and welcome to Quest English 7. I am Mrs. Kelm. If you are new or returning, welcome. I'm glad you're here. We do have 6 new students joining us in Quest 7 this year, so that will be fun to get to know some new faces. And I am excited to have my returning Questies kind of welcome in our new friends. If you have not been to my room before, I am in the same place as I was last year, which is in room 600. It is conveniently located right next to the mall. And if you're like where is that exactly? It's right where the person who holds the Primetime Win sign, it's right where that person stands. That person is me. I'm the sign lady. So my room is right behind where I stand every day with that Primetime and Win sign. Pretty easy to find. Now, if you are joining me for open house night, this is what the schedule looks like. If you're not joining me, I'm going to roll through some of the same content that I'll share at open house so that you're on the same page when we start the year. This is the schedule that came home in the mail. Hopefully you already got that. And you can see that open house night has 2 pieces. There's the teacher's available drop-in time, or there's the mock schedule time. You can come to both. You can come to either, you could come to neither. You really get to decide, how do you want to build your open house night? If you are an introvert, my pro tip to you, come to the teacher's available time and maybe just show up to school sometime between now and open house and walk your schedule when the building is empty and things are quiet and a little bit calmer. But you are welcome to come to open house too. So that's the schedule for the night. At open house, either way, whether it's drop-in time or mock schedule time, I'll give you this half sheet of paper. I still need to update that QR code for this year's video that I'm making right now, but otherwise this is what the survey will look like. Here is a little bit of background info on me. This is my 24th year of teaching. You guys, I've been teaching for a long time. 7 of those years have been here at BCMS and 17 years were over in St. Michael. You can see a picture of my family there. My 3 kids have all been or are in Quest, and that's part of what brought me to this building as well. Outside of school, I love to learn because gifted grown-ups sometimes have a real intensity around learning new things, just like gifted kids. And these are the things that I love to learn about. ADHD in particular is near and dear to my heart because it has lived in my household my whole life. My little brother has it, my mom has it, I've got it, my kids, some of them have it. It's just ever present, as well as giftedness. So I spend a lot of time learning about those things and kind of everything else that swirls around and touches those things in education. Here are our course essential questions for the year ahead. Here is a sneak peek at our curriculum that we learn throughout the year. You can see that History Day is making a return, and if you want to geek out on this year's theme, go Google it because I didn't include it, but it has something to do with innovation and impact, and I think it's 3 I's this year instead of 3 R's. Here's the grading policy. Grades will always be in campus. We'll talk about using AI and when is it appropriate and when is it not appropriate, so I'll give you some guardrails around that for each assignment that we do. I will be sending out the Google Classroom invites pretty soon. I'm working on doing some coding to try to level up my Google Classroom experience on the teacher end of things. So once I'm done tinkering and coding, I should be able to get that up and running and then send the invites to you guys ahead of open house. If you need to contact me, here is my information. A friendly reminder to my Quest friends, my school stuff, I really try to keep school and home separate. So if you have my personal cell because our kids are friends outside of school, route any school-related stuff to my school contact info instead. Home stuff is for, friend hangout times. You'll have a chance to ask me questions at open house. And again, here is the schedule, and you can find me in room 600. I think that's everything. I look forward to seeing you guys at open house, or if not open house, by the first day of school, we'll come together. Have a great rest of your summer until then.